Hey guys, thanks for watching. You're watching Going Gone, and we are here at Harrison Park in Owen Sound, Ontario. Check out the video. Right, so we are here at Owen Sound, and they have this city park called Harrison Park. The campground is inside the park, and let's take a look and see what's here. Okay, so this is the end of the trail. It basically leads back to the campground.
So we are here at campsite number 89, and it is right by the river, right there. So we are here in Harrison Park in Owen Sound. They have a laundromat by the campground, hours, and it is $1.75 for the washer and $1.75 for the dryer as well. So they have a mini Putt here within Harrison Park, and they also have canoe and pedal boat rentals that you can rent right here on the park. So they also have an on-site restaurant here that serves like fast food, burgers, fries. You can get some ice cream. They also have a patio outside, so it's pretty convenient. So what did you get?
Mint chocolate chunk. It's a little bit salty, but good.
How much is it per scoop?
$3.50. And you have to pay extra for a bowl, which doesn't make any sense, but I recommend getting the cone because it's even better.
So that's their indoor dining and some patio seating out here. So there's also a heated swimming pool here in Harrison Park. It's pretty cool to have other activities to enjoy.
Alright, so what you're seeing right now is actually a salmon, right? It's a Chinook salmon. It is prevalent here at Harrison Park, and usually during September to Thanksgiving, they have this particular salmon streaming upstream, going upstream to spawn. So we were lucky enough to watch this spectacular event.
So we are here now checking out Inglis Falls in Owen Sound, and it's about 2.5 kilometers from Harrison Park.